Olá, gente, tudo bom? Eu sou Harry, and today I'm going to have a, campaign. I'm going to cook something upside the hills, okay? So that's my trip, and let's see. Oh, the road's quite dirt. Salam alaikum. Olá, eu sou Harry, vivencia do Paquistão. You sou? What's your name?
Mahmood.
Is Mamoon. He's my friend there, and today we're going to.
Some unknown place.
Yeah.
We still haven't decided yet where we're going.
We need to fill. We need to fill that cylinder first.
Yeah.
We need to put some sort of.
Stove on it.
Yeah. So, let's see.
Let's go straight.
Okay. We're gonna fix the stove.
This one, yeah?
Let's see.
can show them around.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. The beautiful place.
Oh.
There's not as much green because
It
these
is going
are
to
winters.
be. It is going to be green.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's nice, yeah.
Yeah, beautiful place. Where shall we
Calm,
sit?
cool and calm.
Yeah.
I'm loving this place here.
McDonald's. I'm loving it. I'm loving
I
it.
used to come by walk here, you know.
Yeah.
Every time.
The most. Okay. Beautiful place, isn't it?
I'll take. Or we can go up there as well if you want.
Up,
Yeah,
sir, but I think it will be dangerous. The thing is, we need to get that Coke.
Okay. There is a place, and you can turn it around from here, and then we can go again. Get something.
Okay, let's go then. Okay, so we are inside a forest. We're gonna cook something here.
And there's nobody at all.
Yeah.
So there could be wild animals, probably.
Oh,
Probably.
there could be
You never
wild
know.
animals.
Yeah, you never know.
Oh, a beautiful place.
Quiet and calm.
Yeah.
But sometimes you hear like noisy places, so you want to come here. So just get relaxed.
Oh, yeah, you get sick at
Yeah.
noisy places, yeah?
So
Let's
that's
show
what I do.
let's show the place over here. Oh. That looks beautiful.
Amazing scenes here.
Amazing. You just look at that.
And the thing is that is not too far, yeah.
Yeah.
Because if you go to Shimla,
What sort of rocks are they?
rocks?
Yeah.
This rock is called Shikara in our language.
Oh.
Shikara. That is amazing, isn't it?
What is the?
You see? You see?
Yeah. What do you call it?
Shikara.
Shikara. Okay.
That is something else, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we have to go back. And you see that place? You see that place?
Oh yeah.
You have to choose that or the other one. We're gonna stay there for a minute. And then
Let's see. Let's choose a
we
place
decide.
where we
decide
can
where
do
you want to go.
campaigns somewhere upside.
Yeah, come. Let's go there.
Where?
Let's go there. Come with me. I'm gonna show you something.
Yes. Beautiful.
Now we are heading towards somewhere,
Yeah.
an unknown place.
Okay.
So let's go and see.
Okay.
So what we got after that difficult walk,
Yeah.
difficult climbing.
Yeah.
You always get something good. But
Yeah.
let's see.
Oh yeah.
Like it's nice,
Look,
chilly breeze, yeah.
Look at the color. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's nice breeze and
Oh
nice.
man, I've never been here. I'm staying here, but I've never been here. Yeah. I mean, there are people that love to do that thing. What's going on?
Cutting trees.
Yeah. That's true. Beautiful.
Yeah, we're gonna go straight up there
Where?
if you want to.
We can.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
इधर आओ बताओ यहाँ से आगे जाएंगे ना वो देरी नजर आ रही है ना
Yeah,
उसको आएगा उधर से लोकेशन ना अच्छी है और आप लोग किधर से आएंगे
नहीं मैं भी कहता हूँ ये उधर देखना।
हाँ
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful.
When you go home,
Yeah,
just tell your wife you missed it. You missed such a beautiful place.
beautiful place.
Look at it.
Okay, so we got some plates and we're gonna take it off. Yeah. Let's pour it outside. Just you do One thing.
I got a few in my hands.
Okay. Well, I got the naan and I got the oil and some certain necessities. The cold drinks. Okay. The vegetables and my bag. And okay. Here we go. I'm loaded. Yeah, let's go down. Well, surely I think I'm going to slip here because isn't it inflammable? I mean, those pine.
Yeah, pretty place.
Yeah, but the thing is, like, I hope it do not burn.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna place these things here, and just wait, I'm coming. And my bag. Okay, we're going to do the campaign in that beautiful place. The bees? There was a sound in the tree.
Yeah.
What was it?
Yeah, put it over here.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
play.
you got some plate as well. Yeah. That's cool. Well, let's start off.
Okay then. The key.
Did you look to car?
Oh yeah, I did.
Well, what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
I need one plate. What I'm gonna do first.
I got the plate here.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some water in there.
My wife kept it.
Yeah. I'm gonna put some water in
There are
there.
2 plates.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. We got some spoons.
Yeah. If you want to learn how to wash the chicken
Yeah.
and like when you have no resources, so you can put some water in the bag and then do it once. Okay. So
Did you got a knife?
no. Did you get it?
Yeah, I'm having it.
It's gonna be in there.
Oh yes. Let's take the knife first here.
You see what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wash it like this first
yeah.
because I have resources. Why are we quiet?
I don't know.
We're busy in doing something.
Yeah, I'm just peeling off the garlic. I think 6 are enough, yeah? Or more than that.
How many do you have in total?
6 and 7.
Yeah, do 7.
Because they're gonna give taste here.
Yeah, I'm gonna crush it, yeah?
I got things. What I bought? See,
Yeah,
what did I bought?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to wash that chicken like this.
Yeah. Okay. 7 of it. Then we're going to make it like that. Oh, they're going to fall down. Let me crush it like that. I'm gonna take a lighter with me. Yeah, got so. We're going to put some. I hope so. It did not come on my face. Yeah, it's on. That's on. We are going to put the pan, and we're going to put some oil first. How much? Is it enough? That's all.
Yeah,
That's all.
Put it somewhere.
Yeah? You're going to put the chicken. Pour it. Come on.
No, let it get warm first. Where are you going, mate? I need ya. I won't let you go.
Yeah. It's hot already.
I don't need to.
Put the flame high?
Yeah, but
Okay.
so it's gonna do it quick, yeah? You get the reflection. Oh,
Yeah.
it looks nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let it get warm first. It's gonna be okay.
Okay.
Because I've been doing it since 2008,
Yeah.
so it's so long. Okay, buddies, let's put the chicken in. We're gonna fry this first,
Yeah.
and then we put all of it first. This is properly washed, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
We put some salt in it.
Yes.
With the spoon.
How much?
With the spoon.
That's too much.
Let me pour it.
That's all. It's too much, isn't it? It's pink salt.
Okay. We're gonna mix it.
I'm showing that to them that till this thing changes the color to this one.
Yeah,
Little bit golden brown, yeah?
yeah. Then we need to fry it like full brown. And it leaves some water in it, yeah? It's
No,
the
not-
chicken water.
Yeah.
We didn't put any water in it.
Yeah.
So what we need to do, we need to just dry this water up first.
Yeah.
Then it's gonna be brown already. Oh, with the wind is affecting
This, yeah?
yeah, you can do it in that. I use a little bit of water, not more than that,
Okay.
because I need that water.
I think they no need to cut them. What do you say? They're small. So, are we going to leave it for the salad? Or no? No need.
No, They cut it in 2 parts, yeah.
How are you going to peel it off?
No. Yeah.
No, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's oil, that's not water, that's oil. It's good, it's like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need a higher flame for that.
Now I need to put some garlic.
That is not only oil, that is water as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It should be dried up. It smells nice though.
Yeah. Close it. Shall I close the head? No, let it go
No,
outside.
yeah.
Yeah.
Let the water burn.
That's all.
Getting brown now.
Yeah.
Some tomatoes in it,
Yes.
like that. All of it. Just mix it a bit.
Yes, wait.
Mix it a little bit.
Chilies at the end.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you need to put 1 lemon or no? It won't be good.
Yeah. Put one.
Cut it. No, the taste won't be good.
Okay. Let's just leave it. That's gonna meat is gonna get good easily with the lemon if you put some lemon in it.
Somebody cooked here.
ये तो ऊपर वाली साइड से ही Yeah.
So now what are you going to do?
With the fork.
Yeah, with the fork. You're going to see.
With two forks. Two forks. Take that skin out.
Yeah. It's difficult. It's soft, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's smelling really good, yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna mix it for 5 more minutes?
No, I'll show you.
Oh, I like the flame now.
Where?
Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
We're gonna take the skin outside.
Yeah, that's done. Now, mix it.
Wait. Now you're gonna do like that.
We need much more higher flame now.
I wanna test the salt.
This is yourself. It's gonna be hot. It needs a higher flame now.
Salt is good.
Okay. Higher flame for 10 minutes, yeah?
Okay.
Wait. It's gonna be too hot, yeah?
How much?
Too spicy. Yeah. Put 3. No more than that. One more.
Let's test this thing. How spicy is it? Let's see.
No! I told you. I told you not to do that. It's fucking spicy.
Oh!
No, don't cover it. Don't cover it. It's okay.
It's hot, man.
I told you.
Okay, 3 are enough. Thank you.
Yeah. Where's the chicken? Is it?
Yeah.
Is it good? Just take that. Take that and
Okay.
you check it if it is good. Taste it.
Beautiful. Little bit salt more.
Yeah.
Just a pinch.
Enough. Enough. All of it. Mix it. Need more higher flame?
It's alright, I think.
No, we need it. Put more. On your side, yeah. There you go. That's it.
Over here.
Okay, that's enough. You can,
Yeah.
if you want to put some salt in it, if you
Okay.
want. If you want.
You like it? You're gonna cut this, throw it off on this one. It's not working.
Wait, I know how to work. Wait, let's put it down.
You do it too.
It's gonna be too much then.
Okay, that's all right.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I think it's done.
Wait.
Almost.
Now, this is almost ready, probably. Yeah, a bit soupy.
It's all right.
And it's gonna dry up when you lower the flame, or
It's all right, I think.
yeah.
It's enough. It's ready. Yeah, ready. Perfect. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, let's put the coke there.
Okay.
Salad. Let's see. Bismillah.
Oh no! What the? What happened to it? What happened to it?
None.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
That's for myself.
Let's do cheers.
Yeah. Wait. Was it shaken?
Yeah.
What happened? Who shaked it? Ah.
Cheers, mate. The most delicious karahi I ever ate. I swear upon God. Once for you, once for me. One leg is for you, one for me. How is it?
This chicken is fantastic.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, you see?
Very good.
The color, the taste,
Yeah.
absolutely perfect. And the tenderness. You see? There you go.
It's very soft.
Yeah.
See, breaks.
tendon, yeah.
Yeah, breaks like that. See, how soft is it? That was good.
Right. What do you say?
Yeah. There's a house.
Huh? What do you say?
Yeah. See the mountains. Oh my God. Where did we came? Okay.
Oh, see that.
Okay.
Fresh air, isn't it?
Look at that place. The mountains, oh my gosh.
They're all around us. We're like a bowl.
Are there houses? Man, I want to live over here.
Peaceful place here.
Yeah.
Sun is setting down there. Yeah, right there.
Okay, let's now we're climbing up.
Yeah, again.
Yeah.
You're going back.
Yeah. Look at that place.
That was a nice sun that night.
Beautiful place.
You guys can come over here if you
Yeah.
want.
Yeah,
visit.
come. Vamos.
Yeah.
Silence. See that place.
At the top of the hill.
That place is very beautiful. That place.
Yeah, the Shimla Hill.
Oh.
Yeah. I like those trees and all that.
Yeah.
And silence.
Silence.
I can go over there.
Why? Let's go there.
Fully loaded with the trees. These are pine trees, yeah?
What are these?
Somebody covered the place with the wall.
Oh my God.
You know what?
Yeah.
I've been there to that top.
Oh,
You can
that
capture
top.
that top, yeah.
Yeah.
That top. And I can see the lake.
The lake.
Yeah.
Where?
Beside that.
Besides that, there is a lake.
Yeah.
Oh.
You call it Tarbela Lake.
There's a big, what do you say, tractor by my car. Yeah.